Well, learners or viewers, or most of the students, I would like to say some things about this chapter, real numbers and inequalities with criterion questions, and solve this moment. So, this is the question number 13. F of x equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x equal to root x, and find the value of x, then f equal to j square, and f of x is absolute values is less than 7. Solve it and solution set. And thirdly, prove that g of 3 is the irrational. অর্থাৎ f of x equal to 2x plus 3 এবং g of x equal to root x হয়, তাহলে find the value of x যখন f equal to j square. যদি f equal to j square হয় তো আপনি বার করতে বলছে x এর মান, অ্যান্ড f of x মডুলাস যদি থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে লেস দ্যান 7 থাকে, সেক্ষেত্রে সলভ করতে কইছে এবং সলিউশন সেট বের করতে বলছে. So that's why so learners and viewers and most of the watching this my channel and all of the students are follow this the question solve this moment. Given that f of x equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x equal to x, so guys are watching this f equal to j square. First question, f equal to j square. So 2x plus 3 divided by equal to root x whole square. That's why x is minus 3. X is the minus 3. So when x equal to minus 3, then f equal to j square is the easiest things, and all of students are okay. So that's why this the easiest and easy maths, and no problems. You have to solve this the moment. That's why f of x means 2x plus 3 is a modulus is 7. We have to clear this the system. That's why 2x plus 3 minus 3 is a less than 7 minus 3. So that's why 2x is modulus is less than 4. Is less than 4. So we have to clear this the system and clear this the maths. So sorry, 2x plus 3 is modulus is 7, right? So minus 7 is less than is plus 7, because minus r is modulus x minus r is less than x is less than plus is the formula. So we have to guys less 7 is less than 2x plus 3 and minus 3, 7 is less than minus 3. So that's why is a minus 3. That implies minus 10 2x is less than 4. Is less than 4. So that's why we have to clear this the maths. Are it's also 2 is free. 2 is free. That means coefficient of x with 2. Minus 10 divided by 2 is less than 2x. That means 2x divided by 2 is less than 4 divided by 2. That's why minus 5 is less than x is less than 2. It's a real numbers is minus 5 to plus 2, and its it's the line graph. So 1 0 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 and -4 and -5. It's a -5 to 2, -5 to 2 is the line graph of -5 is 2. -5 is 2 is a which is the required line graph, which is the required line graph. Is also clear? It's so number co and number co. Solve this the -5 to +5 and solution set is a solution set, that means x such that real numbers, x belongs to real numbers. That's why -5 is less than x is less than 2. It's a set, that means s equal to, this is the solve it and solution set, and which is the required line graphs, and it is also clear and everybody okay. This is the process and this is the system. So and we have to clear all of things and all of maths, no problems. I think that you have to memorize. This is the process. Well, learners or viewers, and most of the students are watching this my channels. So first question are solved this the previous lecture, co and co, and thirdly prove that g of 3 is irrational. প্রমাণ করো যে g of 3 is অমূলত. তো prove that g of 3 is irrational. We have to show that g of 3 root 3 is irrational. Firstly, if possible, let root 3 is rational number. যদি সম্ভবত হয় root 3 ধরে নিলাম মূলদ সংখ্যা, then of the form p divided by q, where p and q are integer prime to each other. তারা একে অপরের পূর্ণ সংখ্যার মৌলিক সংখ্যা, যেখানে p belongs to real number and q belongs to any natural number. So then root 3 equal to p divided by q আমরা ধরে নিতে পারি. So that's why one is less than root 3 is less than 2. So that implies 1 is less than p divided by q is less than 2. So that implies q is less than p is less than 2q, and that implies 0 is less than p minus q. That's why is q. Thus p and q are positive. That's why p and q are positive integer. Positive integer less than q. Positive integer less than q. oh sorry, p minus q are positive integer less than q, তার মানে এটা p minus q টা q থেকে obviously ছোট, and we show that and so we have root 3 into p minus q is not an integer, যেহেতু p minus q is positive integer less than q, that's why so we have root 3 into p minus q is not an integer, but এরা যদি পজিটিভ ইন্টিজার q থেকে ছোট হয়ে থাকে, যদিও সে q থেকে ছোট কিন্তু পজিটিভ ইন্টিজার, বাট দ্যাটস আর নট ইন্টিজার, তাহলে এরা পূর্ণ সংখ্যা নয়। ক্লিয়ার? সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই p divided by q into p minus q is not an integer, not an integer. So that's why root 3 into p minus q equal to p divided by q into p minus q. So that implies this is the easiest, and we have to clear this the system firstly. Thus p minus q are positive integer less than q. So p minus q q থেকে যদি less than হয়ে থাকে, তারা যদি পজিটিভ ইন্টিজার হয়ে থাকে, then এত obviously এত is not an integer, এরা পূর্ণ সংখ্যা হতে পারে না। সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা এত ইকুয়াল টু এত বলতে পারি। So that implies root 3 into p minus q equal to p square by q minus p. P square by q square into q minus p bolte pari. So that's why this is the values of root 3 equal to p by q. That implies 3 equal to p square divided by q square is the easiest. So 3 into q minus p. So which is the integer number, which is the integer number, and you have to clear this the process. So this is the point and this is the point. These points and these points are so contradiction. So thus we arrive that at a contradiction. So hence root 3 is not rational number. Root 3 is rational number, or root 3 is irrational. Therefore root 3 is irrational. irrational number. Clear? It's so rational number. It's so clear. Root 3 is a rational number. Why root 3 is rational number? It's so easiest one, and I want to solve this a upper level maths. It's also upper level math, and you have to practice day by day. Then obviously clear this the process, and similarly practice is root 5 and root 2 is the same way. You have to this root 5 and root 2 is a homework. You all of students and all of guys and all of learners and all of neighborhood students, no problems at all. You have to practice obviously. So এপার বাংলা অ্যান্ড ওপার বাংলা স্টুডেন্টস যারা আমার এই চ্যানেলটি দেখছো, আমার অন রিকোয়েস্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু, আমি আপনাদের কাছে টাকা চাই না, পয়সা চাই না, আমি আপনাদের কাছে কিছুই চাচ্ছি না, শুধু আপনাদের ভালোর জন্য, শুধু আপনাদের ভালো রেজাল্টের জন্য, শুধু আপনারা বিভিন্ন ভালো ভালো ইউনিভার্সিটিতে চান্স পান, সেই কারণে আমার এই প্রচেষ্টা, এবং এই প্রচেষ্টাগুলোকে যাতে সাফল্য অর্জন করা যায়, এই জন্য অন রিকোয়েস্ট অ্যান্ড হার্মলি রিকোয়েস্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু share and subscribe this my channel. Then I am increased in your lot of video.